In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create flares in Reddit. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly where to click and what each option means, so you can start organizing and styling your community like a pro. First, make sure you're logged into Reddit with an account that has moderator permissions for the subreddit you want to edit. You can only create flares if you're a mod. Once you're signed in, head over to your subreddit's main page. You can do this by clicking on your profile and selecting the subreddit from your communities list, or simply typing the subreddit URL into your browser. When you're on your subreddit's homepage, look for the moderator section. On the desktop version of Reddit, you'll usually see a button or link labeled Mod Tools. Go ahead and click on Mod Tools. This is your control center as a moderator, where you manage everything from rules to appearance. Inside the Mod Tools panel, you'll see a variety of options. What we're interested in for this video is how the subreddit looks and how user information is displayed. To access that, find and click on Look and Feel. This section controls the visual side of your subreddit, including things like theme and flares. Once you're in the Look and Feel area, look for an option called User Flair. User Flair is a small piece of text, sometimes with an icon, that appears next to a user's name when they post or comment in your subreddit. It's great for identifying roles, interests, or other helpful tags. Click on User Flair to open the Flair settings. Inside the User Flair settings, you'll see a section labeled Flair, or a similar option that shows existing flares and lets you add new ones. Click on Flair to view the current Flair templates. This is where you'll manage all the different Flair styles available to your community members. Now, to make a new one, click on Create Flair. This opens a form where you can define the text of the flare, customize its appearance, and set who can use it. Take your time to choose clear, meaningful labels and consider keeping the text short so it looks clean next to usernames. Once you're happy with your settings, save your new flare template, and it will be ready for users to select or for moderators to assign, depending on your configuration.